So verb conjugation is terribly important, and we're going to take a look at it when it comes to regular verbs. So in German, you have subject-verb agreement, as with all languages. And what I like to do is I like to think of the endings as est, ten, ten. So I've color-coded those. Est, and then 10, like the number 10. This means when I have ich, that's an E ending, do, st, and so on and so forth. So this is just a little something to know about regular verbs. So this particular German verb, kosten, means to cost. Because things are what costs, you'll have sie, es kostet. Es kostet 5 Euro. It costs 5 euros. So kosten, you might see it in the plural too. So I would have those two there. Sie kosten, but yeah, es kostet. Schmecken. So for these, I'm going to keep trying to divide them between singular and plural. Schmecken means to taste. Ich schmecke, du schmeckst, sie schmeckt, wir schmecken, ihr schmeckt, sie schmecken. Trinken, to drink. Ich trinke, du trinkst, sie es trinkt, wir trinken, ihr trinkt, sie trinken. Bringen. Moment. Okay. So, I'll draw a line. Ich bringe, du bringst, sie es bringt, wir bringen, ihr bringt, sie bringen. And bringen is to bring. Sitzen, to sit. Ich sitze, du sitzt. Now notice there's no st. Can't have an s next to a z. They sound too similar. Sie es sitzt, wir sitzen, ihr sitzt, sie sitzen. Schicken, to send. Talking about emails or so, ich schicke, du schickst, sie schickt, wir schicken, ihr schickt, sie schicken. Schreiben, to write. Ich schreibe, du schreibst, sie es schreibt, wir schreiben, ihr schreibt, sie schreiben. So those are just some of the German verbs to watch out for. So for instance, if I want to say I send a letter, I is the subject, so ich schicke einen Brief. If I wanted to say we write the book, wir, and I conjugate schreiben for wir schreiben das Buch. So one of the things that is always important, regardless of the language that you are learning, is you want to make sure you pay attention to subject-verb agreement. So always, always, always kind of watch out for these endings in German. Viel Glück, viel Spaß. Good luck, have fun.